Setting up your Dell Thunderbolt dock requires the right hardware components and proper connections. We'll walk through each essential step to establish a stable docking setup. First, ensure your laptop has a Thunderbolt 3 or 4 port. Look for the Thunderbolt symbol next to a USB-C port. This distinctive lightning bolt symbol indicates Thunderbolt capability, which is essential for docking station functionality. You'll need several key components: your Thunderbolt-enabled laptop, the Dell Thunderbolt dock, the included Thunderbolt 4 cable, and compatible monitors with DisplayPort, HDMI, or USB-C inputs. Connect the dock to its power adapter first. Dell Thunderbolt docks typically require between 180 and 240 watts depending on the model. Always connect power before making other connections to ensure stable operation. Use the included Thunderbolt cable to connect your laptop to the dock's upstream port. This single cable will carry power, data, and video signals, providing the foundation for your docking setup. Connect your monitors to the dock using DisplayPort or HDMI outputs. DisplayPort is recommended for 4K displays, while HDMI offers broad compatibility. Some newer monitors also support USB-C connections directly. Your hardware setup is now complete. You have connected the power adapter, linked your laptop via Thunderbolt cable, and attached your monitors. This stable foundation is crucial for optimal docking performance and prepares you for the next step: driver installation and configuration. With your Dell Thunderbolt dock physically connected, the next critical step is installing and configuring the necessary drivers for optimal performance. First, install the Intel Thunderbolt Control Center. This software manages Thunderbolt device connections and security settings. Right-click on the Thunderbolt software icon and select Run as Administrator for proper installation. Next, use Dell Command Update to automatically manage all your drivers. This application checks for the latest BIOS, driver, firmware, and Dell application updates. Click the Check button to scan for available updates and install them automatically. Ensure your display drivers are current for optimal multi-monitor performance. Updated display drivers provide better compatibility, higher refresh rates, and improved color accuracy across multiple displays. Configure your display arrangement in Windows Display Settings to match your physical monitor setup. Access display settings, identify your monitors, and arrange them to match their actual positions on your desk for seamless cursor movement. If you encounter connection issues, check Thunderbolt security settings in your system BIOS. Ensure Thunderbolt is enabled and security level allows device connections. Also verify that your dock's power output meets your laptop's charging requirements. Proper driver installation and configuration are essential for optimal Thunderbolt dock performance. With the correct drivers installed and displays configured, your Dell Thunderbolt dock will provide seamless connectivity and reliable multi-monitor functionality.